So next one is modules in Python. Every module in Python basically contains function definitions and statements, variables. So let's see how we can make use of these modules. So you can import with the help of a statement called import, okay, where you can make use of variables and functions that are available inside the module, okay. And there are multiple ways to use this particular import statement. One way is to import everything from the module. The other way is to import only certain or useful variables and functions in your program. And the other one is to import everything from the module, okay. But at the same time, it requires those variables and function names, okay. So let's consider an example here. I'm trying to import from the math module, and the variable is pi. So I want to obtain pi value from the math module. Now I am printing pi value. You can see the result is 3.14159, like this. Next, here I am importing everything from the math module. So that can be represented with the help of star. From math, import star. It means we are importing everything from the math module, and later we are printing e value. So e value is displayed as 2.718 and so on, like this. Next one is you can import other modules like numpy module. In this numpy module, you can call cos function and pass parameter as degrees, okay, and you will get answer like this, because cos 0 is 1. And you can also see what are different functions that are available in a particular module. For example, math is the module. I want to see what are all different functionalities available inside this math module. So I can make use of dir function and pass the respective module, that is math module, as parameter to this dir function. And you will see all the different functions that you can access from this math module. Okay, up to here. Clear? Thank you.